Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Yahoo Finance app, including its features, pros, and cons to help you decide if it's worth using. The Yahoo Finance app is designed to provide real-time market data, financial news, and investment insights. When you open the app, you'll see major stock indices, trending stocks, and top financial headlines, giving you a quick overview of market conditions. This makes it easier to stay updated on important financial news. One useful feature is the customizable watch list, which lets you track specific stocks, mutual funds, or cryptocurrencies. Each stock profile offers detailed information such as historical data, earnings reports, and analyst ratings, helping you make informed decisions. The app also provides interactive charts, where you can apply technical indicators like moving averages, RSI, and Bollinger Bands for deeper analysis. Yahoo Finance's news section pulls content from trusted financial sources, providing insights into market trends, company updates, and economic developments. The app also includes a portfolio tracker that allows you to add your investments and monitor their performance in real time. For users looking for more advanced features, Yahoo Finance Plus offers enhanced charting tools, deeper research reports, and trade insights to help improve investment strategies. Now let's look at the pros and cons. On the positive side, Yahoo Finance offers real-time data and extensive financial news, keeping you informed about the latest market movements. Its customizable watch lists and interactive charts provide helpful tools for both casual and experienced investors. The portfolio tracker is another useful feature, allowing you to monitor your investments easily. Yahoo Finance Plus enhances these features with more detailed insights for those looking to improve their strategies. However, there are some downsides. Many advanced features are only available with the Yahoo Finance Plus subscription, which may limit the experience for free users. The app's interface can feel overwhelming, especially for beginners who may find the amount of data difficult to navigate. During periods of high market activity, some users have reported occasional delays in data updates. Additionally, the free version is ad-supported, which can be distracting for some. Overall, the Yahoo Finance app offers a solid range of tools for tracking investments, analyzing trends, and staying informed on financial news. While some advanced features require a subscription, the app's free version still provides valuable insights for most users. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.